Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to customize your HubSpot CRM dashboard step by step, perfect for beginners and growing teams. Let's start with the basics. The HubSpot dashboard is your central place to monitor sales deals, contact activity, marketing campaigns, and team performance. Customizing it helps you focus on the metrics that matter most. First, log into HubSpot and go to Reports, Dashboards. You can select an existing dashboard or create a new one. To create a new dashboard, click Create Dashboard, choose a template or start from scratch, name it, select Visibility, and click Create. Next, let's add reports. Click Add Report, choose from default or custom reports, then drag and drop them into your dashboard. You can resize and reposition widgets for better clarity. Filters help you focus on specific data. You can filter by date range, deal stages, contact properties, or team members. Adjust these filters directly in the report or dashboard view. Custom reports allow more advanced tracking. Go to Reports, click Create Custom Report, select the type, choose Properties and Filters, save the report, and add it to your dashboard. Organize your dashboard layout by grouping similar reports and arranging them for easy scanning. You can also share dashboards with your team by clicking Actions, Share Dashboard, and setting access permissions. For automated updates, schedule dashboard emails, and choose recipients and frequency. Finally, set up goals to track revenue, deals, or contact targets. HubSpot will visualize your progress against these goals in real time. In summary, customizing your HubSpot CRM dashboard lets you see the right data at a glance, monitor performance, and make informed decisions efficiently in 2026. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. Hey,